Alright, so we've got the end of week wrap up. Nasty work this week. Absolutely nasty work. So we have Friday, Asia, right here. So Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. So what I've done is the bigger squares are Asia and the smaller ones are the break in between London and New York. So let's zoom in on Monday. We've got Monday price action not too jammy. We've got London session. I don't think I entered. Can't say why. But it's evident I didn't. So I see an entry here and it's shorts for a couple of quid. Shorts for 22 pips before turning around and reversing. A bit jarring. Of course, he didn't do the normal distribution, but that's fine. We've got New York session, and then we see price attempt to dip down to some sell side before reversing and shooting up. So I've got executed here, and I came out. So it seems as if because price came in hit a key level, I've just closed it, which was a decent exit. Another one. Quick bang bang loss, annoying. Well, bang bang, shoddy pips, and then in again, shoddy, and then a close. It's pretty shoddy. We've got, what's that distribution? 9.6. It's a terrible week. Terrible week, yeah. Cool. Now we've got Tuesday coming in. The entry took me out, rallied up 17 pips before crashing down. It's kind of confused as to why that took me out, but yeah, I've got a way smaller stop loss, especially when price has already accelerated like 60 pips, but it seems to have moved off the hourly gap and then gone straight back up. So we've got Wednesday execution again. Taken out really quickly in London, bought, and then it crashes down a little bit more before it goes up higher. It crashes down for 12 pips before turning back around, taking me out, annoying. And then we've got another quick pew pew for the New York session. You can see that boom, boom, taking out that big candle, 12.55. So pretty short. What is going on here? Why didn't that close? I'm not sure what this was all about. I haven't got a close either. And then I've got a reset here. Don't know what happened there. Okay. We've got a buy, swept sell side liquidity. I'm expecting price to rally. Nope. It shorts 14.1 pips before rallying back up. Only 27 pips and then crashing back down again. Shoddy price action. Yeah, shoddy. Okay, so we've got Friday, last day of the week. Did I execute? No, I didn't execute. London session, don't know what was going on there. So we've got the reversal, boom, and we've got the distribution for at least 50, so that's decent. I don't think I saw the entry in this one. Let me have a look. No, I did not see the entry for this one, so I don't know where I was, but I'm looking at the entry quite high because price did drop so low for the gap. It wasn't as juicy as I wanted. I actually don't think I even saw it. It was that small. So with that in mind, boom, I missed it. Jarring because it was a 50 pip distribution that I needed, to be honest with you. And we go for Friday, New York session, quick buy, and then I am out in an hour and a half of waiting. Boring before price does actually turn around at 320 for some distribution to the highs. This week was the most annoying week of the year, I believe. I did make a mistake as well, which annoyed me. I had a bit of, I want to say a bit of FOMO and a bit of analysis. Human error. It's a bit of incorrect analysis from myself. Tuesday I went for the buy and it just shot down and took me out, and I was quite heavy on that one as well. Wasn't paying enough attention, and I got stung for it. So from a trading execution perspective, not my best week. And this is one of the worst weeks to trade, so I don't know why I did the poor execution this week. I've been trading so well. So it's a decent setback. I think it's like set me back like 1 week. So not too impressed with that, but I'll be looking forward to see how the week turns out next week, because I mean, if I trade the same way I have done, not this week, that's just passed, but I don't know, the rest of the year, I'll be totally fine. So it's just a psychology perspective where I just got to keep going, one good trade, that sort of thing. Of course, I'm still training, annoying, but annoying with regards to, I haven't trained while being in drawdown for a while. I've been withdrawing money from the charts for a couple of weeks, for a good while. It's not the worst, it's just wasn't in the plans, do you know what I mean? So we've got rubbish weather and I've got poor price action on the charts, of course, but we'll see how we get on. I mean, if we get at least 2 winning trades next week, which is what we've been doing anyway, we'll be alright. We're back in the game. So that's what I'm looking forward to. Students, holla.